ton of random stuff to open, so I'm just gonna unbox this all with you guys. Shower drain protector. Essential if you have long hair like me and lose the amount of hair that I lose as well. This just goes over the top of the drain and then catches it, which I have had to unclog so many times. Extension. That noise. I am actually a child at heart. The plan was to put this on here. Cool, I selected the wrong threading on the bottom. I'll return this. Yes. Wide angle lens. There she is. That's pretty. This is gonna go on the camera we are seeing right now, but not in this moment. Much of the stuff you'll see in this will end up being applied after. Okay. What? It's so rare to see like wood as a box like this. We got some, ooh, tempered glass for the, oh my god, these are adorable. Cold shoe protectors. So this is tempered glass for the screen on my camera, so I can feel better about doing crazy stuff and not destroying the screen. Especially with the way I vlog, because I keep the screen out facing me, and then when I close it, I want it to be not scratched. Hope that makes sense. Yes. Crane M2. This is a gimbal for this phone. Wait, no. This is a gimbal for this camera, and it also works for my phone as well. This is wicked. It's going to allow me to provide stable shots while being like running, walking, etc. But I mostly bought it for B-roll, for cinematic footage, because I can only do so much with my tripod, handheld, or gyro data. Why do I default into smelling things? I think it's a guy thing. Is this real? Wow. So this is pretty much what I bought before, except this will probably actually fit. Oh my god. W. That's surprisingly sturdy too. Damn. Damn. Oh nice. I think this can work right into my camera too if I needed it to be like a light. I thought I had to pay extra for this. That's kind of why I bought that thing. That is a high quality instructions package right there. An entire envelope for this. Cool. It's obviously way heavier than this. This could be interesting. Sick beat. Honestly, I might destroy it by just because this is so nice in my brain. It's what it feels like right now. Smartphone clip. That is incredibly heavy duty as well. Super sturdy. And then things you should not eat. I stole that joke, I can't lie. I am done being a peasant. Wires no more. Designed by Apple in the worst state in America. What a tire fire California looks like right now. Oh my god. I don't know what I was expecting, but these are damn small. This is so interesting. That's such an easy clip in and out too. Definitely magnetism on open and close, plus pulling them out. That's really nice. Jeez, that's small. That's it right there. That small little thing. Damn, curious to see if these fit. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Are they already canceling? Do they automatically cancel even if they're not paired? Because I cannot hear my fan anymore. Oh my god. That is crazy. It literally sounds like the fan is turning off when I put them on, because it's like detecting that it's in both ears. Wow. That's really impressive. I cannot hear my fan from my light, which is quite loud. Then as soon as I take it even the slightest bit out, I can then hear it through my left ear, which there is an earbud in. Wow. That's wicked. Alright, so this is the Joby, that thing that you see always the vloggers using. I've been using Manfrotto because it's super simple and it's super sturdy, unlike this apparently, which is a lot less sturdy and legs are known to break off. But honestly, I don't really care because I can replace the ZV-1 if it breaks. I'd be more resistant to using a Joby for, let's say if I had a full frame right now, which instead of getting a full frame and a crazy expensive lens to go with it, I got the accessories that you're seeing right here instead, which I'm very, very pleased about so far. Oh no. Rest in peace to the straightness, because I have no idea how to get it back. Do the vlogger thing. Oh no. Please tell me I didn't just break it. Okay, good. Alright, this is a lot more sturdy than I thought it was going to be. This is the 1K for compact cameras, smartphones. I'm currently rocking a Sony ZV-1. So it's a point and shoot, not perfect, nothing too crazy, but it definitely does the job. And this feels like it's pretty sturdy, and I definitely picked it up so I can, you know, have creative angles. Like, hey, I want this on my wrist right now. It's crushing, Jesus. And I could just do this. Good luck doing that with the Manfrotto. That's what I'm looking for right there. I need to be able to put it in creative spots without it falling. I was trying this earlier on today. I need that Joby in my life for these creative angles, man. Can't be sitting here and connecting it to a tripod every damn time. Speed matters within vlogging. And with my creativity, I need to be able to express it with unique angles and hang things like upside down or attached to objects or something like that, and be able to get the angles I'm looking for when I'm vlogging, when I'm filming. Plus, this is like the only thing I can do right here, and move it around type of thing to get the angle I'm looking for, but it only goes like this far down, versus if I need to, I can make it like this type of thing. Nice. And then go fully down. Like, the potential, the options are just so much more abundant when I have this level of flexibility. But this is damn sturdy, this Manfrotto, and I would recommend it if you're looking for a very simple setup, and I'm definitely keeping this for that reason. But I really like the creativity that can come with the Joby. Honestly, so much more sturdy than it looks. And then of course, twist this more, so much more range. So this is just a long micro USB cord to plug into the camera, so I don't have to replace all of the batteries because the batteries are hot trash. They had to sacrifice something, so, because it's a beast what this thing is able to do with the size of it. And then when I'm recording for long times, like recording a podcast or doing a shooting session, I can have peace of mind knowing that it's not going to shut off on me, because it could at any moment right now, and I'm not sure how we're doing for battery life as we speak. And then last but not least, a very simple Sony ZV-1 Rig. This will go on the bottom of that camera right there, and it allows me to access the battery and the memory card super simple without taking it off a tripod, which is one of my biggest complaints so far. If the battery died, I'd have to take it completely off the tripod, unscrew everything, and then place the battery in, and then align it back. It's just a pain in the ass, okay? I'd rather just, and then boom, I can still access everything I need to. And you definitely need something like this if you're gonna be vlogging with the Sony ZV-1. I'm gonna go set up some of this stuff now. I'll talk to you guys in a second. First reaction, it is not as easy to open the screen anymore with this rig now. I would grab from the bottom, but now that there's a rig in the way, I just can't. So I would grab from the top now and bring it like so, which is not my favorite. It is really nice having this access, and then insert the batteries, because I have 3 extras, and this is essential if you're going to get the ZV-1, because the battery life, like I said, is trash. I also feel a lot better about using whatever the screw thing here is called, knowing that I'm not damaging this, and this one's locked in, and instead could be damaging the others, which are easily replaceable. Now we can put this into one of those 9 holes. Okay, so if I twist this way, get this a little bit tighter, and let's get this out here. So that's a pretty good, so that's the shot we're getting at that type of length. My arms are ridiculously long. That is on my side for that. But this is working good, man. And then I can hook this up wherever I choose. Like, what if I wanted to just sit here without having to actually put it on? Yes, great angle. No, but for real, you can do some crazy ass creative stuff with this, especially like tree hanging and like casual on the doorknob. See, look at that. The sturdiness from that is ridiculous, as it almost falls. I could also get like an elastic to make sure it does not fall. There's just some stuff you can definitely do to make sure this is, oh, it's opening my door. And then quickly, maybe not quickly, get these undone and then back to vlogging mode. That's interesting. That's interesting. Let's try out these wide angle lenses. Here's a standard angle right here, arm's length distance, using the Joby with only standard stabilization, so no crop. Now let's add the lens on. Oh my god. Oh, thank god that was just carpet. Oh my god, wow. Okay. That's a big jump. You can see a lot more of me. You can also see a lot more of my arm. Nice. Yeah, if I want to go fully back, that's a decent jump right there. Going right to 18 millimeters in the equivalent. So this is a pretty good accessory, especially if you don't have long arms like me, where you can like talk out like this and be able to see everything in the shot that you need to get. It's like a tiny bit It's a tiny bit shaky, but I wonder if it's actually not the Ulanzi, and instead it's actually just the ZV-1. I'm not sure how I feel about this in terms of the portability and compact nature, because it becomes a lot less pocketable. I mean, if I am using my Lululemon pocket bag, it's doable, it's just not my preference. Yeah, that's pushing it a little bit there. I'm happy to see me type of thing, you know? That's questionable. But if we add it to a Lululemon bag, have it on the hip right there, that's way more doable. Is it possible for there to be hair / dust stuck inside? Because, like, I don't know if this is visible, but there's absolutely, like, a hair just sticking in there. How do I get it out? Is this even detectable? I don't know. Maybe you can see it. And then just a quick macro test as you dive into my hair. Cool. Check out some dandruff right there. Very nice. Literally the shittiest macro test of all time. You know what would make this look better though? Stabilization. So either I could use active and have a significant crop in, or this is exhausting. I cannot believe how unfun that was. I thought a gimbal was so much easier than trying to get it to balance the weight. Oh my god. I just kept getting an axis lock thing. No idea what's going on. Yeah, fun stuff. Anyways, it is 5 p.m. right now. I am very tired from how long everything just took for that. And now it's time to grab a snack because I haven't eaten today yet. Ta-da! Breaking my fast right now. We got a salad and a quinoa bowl. That is delicious. Sometimes you take an L. I'm taking it all on the gimbal for the time being because I just have no idea what I'm doing with it. Honestly, there's thoughts of me returning the gimbal because I didn't think it was so complicated. I'm off to eat the rest of these bad boys and watch some Casey Neistat / Nelk / whatever I feel like studying tonight for YouTube.
Moving it. 368. I'm going to be talking about 368 a lot more.
I think I figured it out. Pretty sure I just had this one thing locked and it was screwing up everything. Look at it. Oh wow. That is wicked. Yeah, at a certain angle it decides to commit and go fully into the next right angle. Wow. That's clean, dude, man. Wow. This is literally going to be perfect for cinematic shots. Okay, do something cool. Oh my god. Wow. And then, can I flip you with my wrist? Wait, no, that's... Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm obviously going to have to learn more about this. I look like a TikTok kid right now, or a Snapchat kid, especially if I'm in the corner like this. S.
So let's say you're filming something like a sports event and you need the camera to react to your movements very quickly. You can go into go mode and you can see that the camera goes up and down, left to right very quickly. From go mode, if I double tap again, I get to vertigo mode. And I don't know if vertigo mode works very well.
It was moving so much it fell off the hinge. That's so funny. Alright. Access lock, my guy. Anyways, that was fun. Very cool tool. will be super freaking useful for cinematography in between my videos that I'm planning on making, especially for my main channel. I don't plan on using this so casually. I enjoy the tripod natural shake, and now that I have this wide angle lens, we're golden. We don't necessarily need the gimbal. What we do need it for, quote unquote need it, is for that B-roll, to make sure it's smooth sailing, because I cannot stand shaky B-roll. It looks horrific. This rocks. Cool day. I'm tired as hell, but got some interesting stuff today for the journey. All right, time travel back to original Josh, because I'm not doing the outro again. I'm way too tired. Cool. So we've got all new types of gear. We've got the Joby tripod. We've got the really annoying ass gimbal, but I'll figure it out. We got a lot of good stuff today. That new lens, that's why this is like seeming a little bit bigger. Nice shake as I like hammer the table. This is literally just sitting in the corner of my desk right now, and it's actually kind of impressive what this is able to shoot just due to having that extra focal range, I think it's called. I'm so new to cameras. This is all such an illusion to me. I also have a drone coming soon, which I'm excited for. There's just a lot of good things that came from me not getting a full frame, and it's amazing how identified and obsessed with that notion and idea I was. But figured it out, upgraded a bunch of current stuff, and then eventually we'll end up getting that full frame. But for now, I'm grateful to have AirPods. I'm grateful to have stabler shots. I'm grateful to have more flexibility. I don't have to unclog my shower drain anymore from my long ass hair that is constantly shedding. Of course, the bigger image. There's just a lot of good things that came from today. So I'm very grateful for all this stuff, and I'm so excited for what is coming and how I'll be able to use all this. But hope this unboxing video, vlog, whatever the hell this ended up coming as, was interesting. I love you guys lots, and I will catch you in the next video.